Okay, guys, before we go all the way out, just letting you know they're shooting fireworks far away. But at the church, if you don't know already,
Hi guys.
I just posted a video.
We're gonna be.
So I'm getting on my trampoline, and maybe y'all can see them. Hopefully. Let's spin around in circles, looking up. That moon is. Oh, that scared me. Whoa. That was not that much. Boo! I'm just kidding.
Guys,
Even though they're not that big, they're beautiful.
I'm a little bit hyper, but
Loads of candy. What? There's more than one house shooting fireworks.
yeah, there's 1,000. They're all around.
That
guys.
church.
They're all around.
Hold on, stop jumping. That church way over there.
Has,
That church way over there was shooting fireworks.
but they stopped.
Don't do that on my video. Jeez. You're forgetting theirs aren't working well,
I
so.
was saying something, and they just blasted it, and I just recording.
Okay. How about we jump at the same time? 3. Not yet. Not yet. 3, 2,
1. Guys, don't look at this.
They can't see anything. It's dark.
Look.
We're waiting for them to go back off.
Don't worry. Stop, lady.
See those? They're way over there, but you can see them.
You're way
There's
over
at least
there.
5 houses shooting them off.
There's 5,000.
No, there's only 5. Like that church right there. That church right there was shooting them. They were huge. I posted the video up not too long ago.
Yeah, she posted
We were in the front of our house.
Check out Marilyn's channel. Then you will find
Which, Marilyn, by the way, is not my real name. Just letting you know.
What did you just say?
It's not my real name.
Oh.
Jeez. It's just my username.
Yeah. People like to call her that. But it's not her name.
My real name, some people call me baby because I act a lot like her.
It's baby. You guys, you should drill. You don't know what FNAF characters are.
Or sister location. Sister location is better.
Then you need to go check
Hold on, guys.
out. I'll leave
Let's just look up in the air real quick. Look at that moon.
down below.
That moon looks so small from my thing.
But if you really,
There's stars and everything else.
you really want to.
And there's a light over there. Oh! Don't be scared. It smells like smoke out here because everyone's doing it, but hey,
I'll show my viewers over here.
I'm showing them the same thing. Except I'm bouncing. I gotta sit down!
I got beauty face. This for you. Now keep going.
I'm out of breath.
Well done.
I don't know what to do anymore. I'm just saying, but my third favorite character is Foxy from FNAF World. And then my first favorite character is Baby from Sister Location. My second favorite character is a Nerd, Baby's boyfriend.
My favorite, you guys,
Is Valora.
And my second favorite is Puppet. And my third,
My fourth favorite is Puppet. Oh, there's a shooting star. Make a wish.
Where?
Right up in the sky. It's moving. The stars are moving.
That's not a star. That's a spaceship.
No, it's not.
That's a spaceship. My mom told me that.
Okay. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let us know if you play Sister Location or Five Nights at Freddy's and stuff like that.
None of them can see us.
I know.
Hi guys. Just pretend we're here. Okay?
Yeah, you can't come to see us. We're outside in the dark right now.
Yeah, it's nighttime, as you guys can see. I'm pointing.
Or it would be a lot brighter and you'd be able to see us.
It's the fireworks.
I usually show my face at the end of the videos.
I have a bad feeling about standing up.
Now lately I haven't been doing videos because I've been going sick. So guys, I'm sorry if
Our lights went out and we got really sick.
No. I'm sorry if my tone sounds a little different from usual because I got sick and she didn't. You can't see her, but I'm facing the camera at her. Her name, she's my niece, by the way.
Oh, guys, in a few minutes after we find out the fireworks actually went off, we'll go back inside and post a video in there where you guys can actually see us.
Yeah.
Because you already got to see them.
Yeah, I've done posted it on YouTube. So, guys, go to my channel, Marilyn. Tell them on your channel too.
Go to Marilyn's channel. Oh!
What's your username?
Go to. I don't even have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, what's your YouTube name? I forgot it.
My YouTube name is Julia.
Isn't it Julian? Hold on, let me see your video. One of your videos.
Hold on, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm probably gonna have to end this episode because I've had.
Well, you can just post that and then have another second part, like some people do.
Well, guys, I'm sorry, but
I'll tell them.
I'm really getting impatient with these people.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna end this video, and then I'll start another one when the fireworks come back on.
Okay, check.
I'm not gonna do anything because, guys, bingo!
Oh, I got something in my hair from the trampoline.
Woo! Guys, bingo!
Bingo was his name.
Bingo! Woo! Yeah!
Showing everyone everything. It's dark, so it doesn't matter. I'm out of breath now, but I don't care. I'm gonna keep on running.
I know you guys can't see this. I'm so sorry.
We'll be posting a video tomorrow showing us both.
Or we could.
I mean, we've done JoJo, but it was in rainbow.
Well, guess what, guys? As soon as we come back inside,
I'm gonna get No, we'll be posting it in the morning.
Or we'll be posting it in the.
Just letting you know. I've been sick, guys. So I haven't been posting videos.
Yeah.
So
He hasn't. I have.
I'm still kind of sick, if you can't tell by my voice. But seriously, please.
My channel, you guys.
Woo! Woo!
Watch my channel. And if you're.
I'm just going around in circles.
And if you're new to my channel. Slap that like button.
I fell. Ow. The hair.
If you are new to this channel, snap that lickety like button. And fireworks! Guys, fireworks!
Snap that like button.
Watch out for me! I'm jumping so you can tell. And I have a camera. Did you see my?
No.
I'm behind you.
It's too dark.
Bye.
Ow.
I'm so
I stepped
sorry
on something. Ow.
about us, but we're super hyper. We stayed up all night.
Totally. You did it.
I didn't because
I always stay up.
all night and stuff.
I'm totally gonna do it today.
Sometimes too.
I would record it. I would record it, but it would be too long of a video, and I'd probably fall asleep during it. So sometimes I get bored. How did I sit down?
video here.
Can y'all see the fireworks? I think y'all can. Yeah, y'all can. Okay. They stopped. Guys, I'm gonna have this quick commercial. Look at the moon. Look at the moon.
I'm sorry.
Look at the moon.
Look
Look at the moon. Moon.
You can't even see
The moon is so small. Moon.
I can't even see the moon.
Look at my
channel.
Junior, look how small. I mean, Julian, look at how small the moon is. Look at this.
So small. That is so small from far away. Why are you parroting me? We lay down and you do more fireworks.
Well, I'm gonna say here. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna keep the commercial going. Na 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 na.
Guys, I'm gonna do a commercial break.
Commercials. Yes,
Look
this
at
is
the
our
floor.
commercial breaks. We don't
Look
like
at the
breaks, butt breaks.
Guys,
My arm itches, and so does everything else.
guys, when
I think I'm allergic to something out here, but I don't know.
No, it's just that there's mosquitoes.
No, I mean my whole hand's itching.
Mine is too.
I don't know.
Why is it itching?
Okay.
Guys, when I post this
No.
video,
I
go inside, and then I'm also gonna do another video.
Well, I'm gonna end it showing y'all a surprise that y'all have never seen, I don't think, on our channel.
Yeah, you've never ever seen it.
You don't even know what I'm talking about.
You never saw the secret I have. Mary has, but
Marilyn.
Marilyn has. Then mine's Julia.
I've been calling you Julia. Actually, you go by Julian on yours, did you?
Yeah.
Mine says Marilyn. So that's what I'm going by.
If you think I'm a scared cat, I'm not.
Yeah, she is. She went and climbed the rock wall.
Climbed the wall. Me and Mary climbed the wall.
Marilyn.
Marilyn, whatever.
It is not Mary. For some reason, you keep on calling me that. I think you're getting me.
Probably because of her aunt was called Marilyn.
I bet it's because
Mary.
my mom's mom was called that.
Your mom's mom was called Mary.
And mine is Marilyn. Ha ha ha. Totally a different name. Okay, I'm gonna go
Guys,
and end my video.
I'm gonna end this video here, and then I'll show you inside here.
Okay, I'm not gonna end it yet because she keeps on copying me.
Because I'm gonna show you inside because you guys haven't been able to see us.
Close the door. Okay. So hi.
Hi guys.
My hair's probably a mess, but it's probably because. Yeah. So, yeah, my hair is probably a mess, but don't mind me.
Yeah, don't mind it.
Because my hair is always a mess.
Yeah, guys, don't
Don't mind that because that's her idea to have the frozen thing, not me.
Don't look at this because I don't like frozen anymore. I don't like frozen anymore. It stinks. Move your butt, man.
No. Trying to brush my hair.
Marilyn, sorry.
Look at that angel. Isn't that a pretty angel, guys?
Guys, I gotta pee, so put that away.
No, don't look at me. I'm trying to do my hair.
I gotta do my
Look at
business.
that. Look that way at the angel.
Look at this. Look at that.
Look at
Look at the shampoo, because I gotta pee. Well, I gotta do my business, guys.
Why don't you turn off your video?
No.
Guys, we're gonna move this to somewhere else because I don't think you want to see her do that. Okay. Well, they're going to see the problem that you have with Frozen. So. Frozen blanket, frozen pillow, frozen blanket, frozen thing. Oh, by the way, this was made by one of my niece's cousins, and his name is Foxy. Isn't he super cute? And yes, I'm still brushing my hair. Are you done in there?
Girls!